TP-Link has always been known for their high-end HD indoor and outdoor cameras, but just like in life, there's always room for improvement. Wait, why does it say on the teleprompter, Ben exits and Tori enters?
Because the latest cameras from TP-Link have now been upgraded to 2K quality to get even better security coverage from your home.
Yeah, but why is swapping you for me supposed to be like an upgrade?
You know why. Let's unbox this! Hey y'all, it's Tori here, coming back at you with another episode of Unbox This. TP-Link has always been known for making high-quality products that make your home better and safer. While they've been an industry leader in making durable outdoor security cameras, their latest launch ups the quality so that you can keep track of your home with double the image quality you'd find with an HD camera. These latest cameras don't compromise on features or price. You can still enjoy night vision, AI detection, two-way audio, weatherproofing, and a huge amount of video storage and battery life. So if you haven't picked up a security camera for your home yet, or if you've been meaning to upgrade, we've got the Tapo C420S2. Let's take a look. It's unboxing time. Let's slice her open. I shouldn't say her. Let's slice it open. A side note, I love when there's pictures on the box. I like a good demonstration of what I'm getting here. And this is just pleasant. And there's a freaking dog on it! There's a dog on it! I want to know his backstory. Anyway, back to the unboxing. Okay, oh sweet, all in one go. Inside, we have our two cameras. Oh, there's so many possibilities to peel here. Okay, so the main two cameras we have. All of your wiring. Your quick start guide. Okay. This is the hub for your camera. These look like the mounts here. Your plug-in connectivity. Your brick, don't lose these. I always lose bricks. This one looks like the wireless option. Oh, this is the battery pack. You get two of these. One for each of the camera. Oh my God, okay. And it looks like that's everything. So, quick summary. Your two cameras, your two camera battery packs, your hub, your two mounts, plus all of your wiring and your quick start guide. There's no way you can mess this up. I'm gonna put this all together and it's gonna be real freaking easy. Oh, I have to peel this. Hold on, we have some peel moments. This is the best part of doing it. Nice. Beautiful, beautiful. 10 out of 10 just for the peeling. Thank you so much, Tapo. As we mentioned, these cameras display and record in crystal clear 2K QHD 4 megapixel resolution with 1.7 times more pixels than HD. This upgrade in quality means that you can detect potential threats to your space with even more precision. It also makes it easier to identify anyone that you happen to catch on your security camera. Forget the days of seeing an unknown blur on a terrible lens from your phone. This level of quality makes sure that you know who exactly is in your space. Ben?
I wasn't even on camera.
Well, luckily for our consumers out there, this set comes with two cameras.
Well, tell you what, if there's two cameras,
No.
then maybe it would make sense if...
No.
There's two people and two...
You want me to talk about the alarm system? They're very loud! And they're motion detected! That's right, these cameras also come with crisp two-way audio so that you can hold a conversation with anyone in range of either camera. And there's a built-in siren and light alarm to help ward off any intruders / annoying coworkers. The dual integrated spotlights will also help users see everything that happens at night. And with the 850 nanometer IR sensor, you can also see vivid details in the dark. The night mode not only has 49 feet of range, but can even project the night images in color. No matter when you're checking in on your home, you can feel safe and secure. Your footage can also be recorded on micro SD cards up to 256 gigabytes. This can save up to 30 days of video history and can keep important moments saved with motion detection snapshots and manual clip recordings. The AI motion detector can also identify and respond to specific images appearing on your feed to make sure you're not wasting alerts on pets or vehicles. Plus, these come with custom activity zones so that you can see what's happening on the streets, but not be alerted every time someone walks past your home without approaching the door. And there's even weatherproofing to make sure that your cameras don't experience any damage, even in the harshest weather conditions. I want to point out you have 2 mounting positions, which is really cool and convenient depending on where you'd like your cameras mounted. You either have the bottom mount here or like a side bottom mount, which is cool. These cameras are also compatible with Google Home and Alexa and can stay charged with 180 days of battery power. Connectivity is made even easier with the Tapo Smart Hub, which emits a low-power wireless protocol, giving you an even wider border than traditional Wi-Fi coverage. So it's high-quality footage, reliably recorded with customizable AI alerts and features. Basically, all you could possibly want out of a home security system. If you want to pick up these cameras for yourself, check the links in the description below. While you're there, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of our upcoming episodes, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with upgraded security. Nothing's gonna get past me now. Try it, I dare you! Bye!